Hello again, everyone. So we have this question about finding the equation of the tangent to f of x equal to 3x squared minus 3x at x equal to minus 1. So the first thing we need to find out is we're finding the slope. So we're going to use the first derivative, so f dash x equals 2. So using the derivative laws, that's going to be 6x minus 3. And then we're going to find out what's the slope at this function. So it's going to be at this point, so it's going to be minus 1, sorry. So it's going to be f dash x of minus 1 equals to 6 times by minus 1, substituting for x, minus 3. And so that's going to becomes minus 6 minus 3, which is equals to minus 9. So that's the slope at that point, minus x. Now we need to find out the equation of the tangent. So we have the general equation of the line, which is equal to mx plus c. We already found the slope. We need to find out the value of c. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna substitute the values of y and x into the equation with the values of the slope to find out the value of c. But the problem here is we only have the value of x. So we need to find out the coordinate of y. So what do is we're going to use the value of x here, minus 1. We substitute back to the main equation to find out the value of y. So here we go. So we have f of minus 1 equals to 3 times by minus 1 to the square minus 3 times by minus 1. So that's going to be equals to 3 times by minus 1 squared to the power squared is going to be times 1. Negative here, we times it by negative, so that becomes positive 3. So that becomes 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. So they have the coordinates of the point to be minus 1 and 6. We're going to substitute now into the equation. So we have y to be 6 equals to, the slope is minus 9, and then times by the value of x, which is minus 1, plus c, and that becomes 6 equals to negative times negative again, it becomes positive, so that's positive 9 plus c. We move the positive 9 to the other side, and we're changing the sign to negative, so that becomes c equals to 6 minus 9, which is equal to minus 3. So therefore, the equation of the tangent is going to be equals to y equals to minus 9x minus 3. And that is the answer. See you next video.